another way maybe to ask this question is like, how weird do you think things are going to get as these tools
I think eventually we're
mature?
going to call all these things your highness as they sort of take over the world. I love my boss, the AI. You have a bot helping raise your kids. What does that mean? If one of the primary sources of information no longer becomes YouTube, it becomes some agent that's not only working them through a math and history and other curriculum, but potentially is choosing which form of history gets presented to the kid. You talked about base model. There's base models and there's based models with a D, right? Like what kind of model do you want your kid to interact with? And what do you want them to learn over time? And how does that get selected? And who adjudicates what that selection process is? Or LHFing something. And who's that cohort of people who's training the thing that are providing the human feedback? And how do you select who those people are? Or what's the ethical framework based on your location around the world that should be applied or shouldn't be applied, right? Should the Western viewpoint be applied to somebody in another country that may have very different values and mores relative to the model and its output?